Good morning, students. Yes, how are you all? Fine? Ready for our session? Yes? So, what did we learn yesterday? What was our topic yesterday? Can anybody tell me? Yes, some have put their hands up. I am getting the answer from some children. Yes, come on, what was our topic yesterday? Types of sentences or kinds of sentences, right? So, the topic was kinds of sentences, right? Now, let's recall what is a sentence. Yes, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words arranged in a proper order and it makes a complete sense. What does it start with? A sentence always starts with a capital letter, ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark, right? And according to this, the sentence is separated. There are kinds of sentences which we are going to learn, right? So, what are the kinds of sentences? Can anybody tell me? Yesterday we had done this topic, right? Yes, think about it. Yes, some are getting the answer, right? So, a sentence is, there are how many types of sentence? 4 types of sentences, right? The first one is assertive. The second one is interrogative, right? Are you getting? Yes, remembering what we did yesterday? Interrogative. The third one is imperative. And the last one is exclamatory, correct? E-X-C-L-A-M-A-T-O-R-Y, exclamatory. In the homework, I gave you to learn the spelling of these words. Did you learn it? Yes? Let's revise. Assertive. A-S-S-R-E-R-T-I-V-E. So, assertive. What is the spelling of assertive? Yes, repeat after me. A-S-S-E-R-T-I-V-E. Assertive. Now, the next spelling is interrogative. Interrogative. According to the sound, we can make the spelling. Now, what is the spelling of in? I-N. Very good. Ter, T-E-R, ter. R-O-Ro. Gay, G-A-Gay, T-I-V-E. Interrogative. Hope you have learned the spelling. Now, I think you are very, very clear with the spelling. The next spelling is im. I-M-M, P-E-R-A-T-I-V-E. Imperative. Imperative. Right? So, learn the spelling. Come on, repeat after me. Quick, quick. I-M-M, P-E-R-A-T-I-V-E. Yes, it is very simple. And only the last spelling is left. What is the last spelling? Exclamatory. X, E-X-X, C-L-A, M-M-A, T-O-R-Y, exclamatory, right? Isn't it easy? The big spellings, when you break them up and according to the sound, when you form the spelling, it becomes very easy. E-X-X, C-L-A, M-A-M-A, Terry, T-O-R-Y, tree, right? So, the 4 types of sentences are assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory, right? Now, rules for an assertive sentence. We had done some rules yesterday. Yes. How will you identify whether the sentence is an assertive sentence? Yes, it tells us a fact. Tells a fact. कोई हकीकत बताता है, right? Simple sentences होते हैं. Starts with a capital letter, ends with a full stop. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence starts with a question, word, and ends with a question mark. Correct. Imperative sentence may be a command. Right? You give command in the assembly. Stand it is, attention. That is a command. Or request. Please may I come in, ma'am? You request your teacher to allow you to come inside the class. Right? So that is known as a request. When you don't have an eraser, you ask your friend, please give me your eraser. Please help me with your book. Please may I sit here? So these are all requesting words where you are requesting your friend to allow you to do that work. That is known as a request, right? Command, open your book. The teacher has given a command to open the book, right? So these type of sentences are known as command. And exclamatory sentences, they express strong feeling. What do they express? Strong feeling, right? And they end with an exclamatory mark. This mark is known as an exclamatory mark, and this mark is known as an interrogation mark, right? So, what are the four types of sentences? Assertive, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory, right? Now, the rules for assertive, they tell us a fact. They start with a capital letter, end with a full stop. Interrogative, they start with a question word, and a question word also starts with a capital letter. They end with an interrogation mark. Imperative sentences, they give us command or they are requesting words. And exclamatory express strong feelings, right? So, this is what we had done yesterday, and from our fancy book, right? Today we are going to do some exercise which is mentioned in the fancy book, that is page number 13, right? On which page? Page number 13. An exercise is given on page number 13. If you open out your fancy book, hope you can see the exercise which is given. Let's see what we have to do over here. Now, read the following sentences carefully. What is mentioned here? Carefully. Now, you have to read the following sentences and write down their types in the box. So, we are not going to write it here. Okay? You will write it in your grammar section. Yesterday, we had written down the four types of sentences and the rules. From there, you are going to continue further, right? So, on a new page, you will write down exercise. What you will write down? Exercise. And you will mention the page. Page number 13, right? And don't forget to write down your classwork and your date, which is very, very important. Whenever you write something, you must have the habit of writing date, because that date reminds you when you had written down that chapter or when you had written down that things, right? So, the first sentences, come on, try to read the first sentence. Everybody, are you reading it? Yes. It says, what are you doing? Right. What is it telling us? What are you doing? Right? And a question mark is there. So, now the four types of sentences you have to keep in your mind. The first one is assertive. It ends with a full stop. No, this is not an assertive sentence. Moving on to the next type. Next is the interrogative. Right. So, interrogation means to ask. And it is starting with a question word, that is what? Kya? कर रहे हो, ending with a question mark. So this type of sentence is an interrogative sentence. Now write down the answer. Interrogative sentence, right? So this is how you are going to write down the answer. The space provided in the book is very small. You are not able to write down the full answer and the sentences are very close. So it may get mixed up. That is why we are going to write it down in our classwork copies in the grammar section, right? Now moving on to the next sentence. What is the next sentence? He is a man of courage. He is a man of courage. C-O-U-R-A-G-E. He is a man of courage. This means कि वो बहुत बहादुर है. Courage, बहादुर, right? He is a man of courage. वो बहुत बहादुर इंसान है. वो निडर है. उसको किसी से डर नहीं लगता है, right? So the meaning of courage is bahadur, himmat, right? He is a man of courage. What is this sentence telling us? कि वो व्यक्ति जो है ना वो बहुत बहादुर है, right? So it is starting with a capital letter. It is giving us some information. वो कुछ बात बता रहा है कि वो जो व्यक्ति है वो व्यक्ति कैसा है, बहादुर है. He is a man of courage. So this type of sentence is an assertive sentence, right? It is ending with a full stop. So my answer is assertive sentence, right? Now the next sentence. What is the next sentence? Yes. What an interesting book. What an interesting book. What an interesting book. Now see the sign which is put at the end of the sentence. You can see something that is looking like a 1 and a dot. That is known as an exclamation mark. Pay attention to this mark. And yes, it is telling us that this sentence is an exclamatory sentence, right? So I am going to write down exclamatory sentence. Yes? Are you all getting it? Are you understanding it? Hope things are very, very clear. Now moving on to the next sentence, that is number 4, right? What is it telling us? It was a sunny day. It was a sunny day. Now what do you mean by this? धूप खिली हुई है, बहुत तेज धूप वाला दिन था. It was a sunny day. Sunny, धूप खिली हुई है, right? So now what is it telling us? At the end there is a full stop. It is giving us some information that the day outside is sunny. Now you go out and see how is the day. You will feel that the sun is all shining very brightly and it is very hot, right? So it was a sunny day. Starting with a capital letter, ending with a full stop, and my answer is assertive, right? Assertive sentence, right? The 5th sentence. Hope you all are writing along with me. Write in a clean and clear writing, blue line to blue line, no mistakes. Copy correctly from the board. Look at the blackboard. Look at the blackboard. What am I giving you? Look at the blackboard. I am giving you a command. सभी बच्चे यहाँ देखो. Look at the blackboard. That means if I am giving you a command, then it is an imperative sentence, right? imperative, imperative sentence, right? So hope you all have written down what is written on the board. Let's read what is written on the board. Sentence number 1. What are you doing? It is a question. So interrogative sentence. He is a man of courage. Assertive sentence. What an interesting book. Exclamatory. It is giving us a strong feeling. Wow, कितनी अच्छी book है. It was a sunny day. Assertive sentence. Look at the blackboard. I am giving you the command. So when a command is given, it is an imperative sentence. Right? The next sentence, number 6. Where are you going? Now see, where are you going? I am asking you a question. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Right? Where are you going? So, ending with a question mark, starting with a question word, and the sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Right? The next. May I help you? May I help you? See, you can see a question mark. क्या मैं आपकी मदद कर सकता हूँ? May I help you? So yes, it is a question and an interrogative sentence, right? Interrogative sentence. Number 8. It is raining heavily. बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है. It is raining heavily. Heavily. बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है. It is raining heavily. Now, starting with the capital letter, ending with a full stop. It is giving it the information that बाहर बारिश हो रही है, and it is an assertive sentence, right? So my answer is assertive sentence. Next, number 9. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. आवाज मत करो. Don't make noise. Yes, it is a question and an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. And the last one is, yes, hope you have written down all the sentences. I am waiting for you to complete your work and we'll do the last sentence. Right? So what is written on the board? It was a sunny day. Assertive sentence. the blackboard. Imperative sentence. Where are you going? Interrogative sentence. May I help you? Interrogative sentence. It is raining heavily. Assertive sentence. Don't make noise. Interrogative sentence. Sorry. The last sentence, there is no question mark. I am sorry for it. Don't make noise. This is a command which I have given. It is ending with a full stop. And my answer is imperative. Imperative sentence. Right? Sometimes the teacher also makes a mistake. No, she is also a human being. So even I made a mistake which we have rectified it. Okay? So don't make noise. This is a command given and it is an imperative sentence. Right? And the last sentence. Coming on to the last sentence, it is how generous of you. How generous of you. How generous of you. Yes. आप कितने अच्छे हो. How generous of you. So it is an exclamatory sentence. Right? And here we come to an end of this exercise. And the next question is the B part. While some are writing gets ready for the B part, here you have to put the correct punctuation mark. Correct punctuation mark. Right. Now what do you mean by punctuation? You have learnt it. Either a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. The sentence ends with a question mark or a full stop or an exclamation mark, and here those marks are not given, which you have to put by reading the sentence. Now I hope it is very clear what type of sentences are there, what are the 4 kinds of sentences, and now you are able to put the question mark or the exclamation mark or the full stop correctly. Right? So let's see. Now the first sentence. First sentence is, what an intelligent student. What an intelligent student he is. Now the thing is, you have to put a sign over here. The end of the sentence is not done. Now try to say this, repeat the sentence again and again. Just see. What an intelligent student he is. क्या होशियार है. What are you getting from it? You are getting some feeling? Yes. Right? So what an intelligent student he is. क्या बता रहा है? एक strong feeling. Wow, कितना intelligent student है ये, है ना? So what is the sign which you are going to put over here is an exclamation mark. What are you going to put at the end is exclamation mark, right? Next sentence. I shall meet you tomorrow. मैं कल मिलता हूँ. Yes. What is the sign you are going to put over here? Again a box is there. Now which sign? कल मिलता हूँ. बात खत्म. End. So we are going to put a full stop. Right? The third sentence. The earth moves. The earth moves round the sun. ये फैक्ट है कि जो अर्थ है, जो धरती है, वो सन के आजू बाजू राउंड राउंड घूमती है. राइट? दिस इज अ फैक्ट. सो व्हेन इट इज अ फैक्ट, इज टेलिंग अस अ फैक्ट, देन इट एंड्स विद अ full stop. Right? And in this way you have to do the further sentences. Now what is the matter? Number 4. What is the matter? क्या बात है? Question. So what is the sign punctuation mark which you are going to put is the question mark. Now I think this is very clear, and in your homework you are going to do the remaining sentences, right? You do the remaining sentences, and in the next period I will do the remaining sentences, and you will check whether you have done your work correctly, or you will assess your own self that how much I have understood this chapter, right? So you are going to do it correctly. Let's read the sentences. He drank water to quench his thirst. उसने पानी पिया अपनी प्यास बुझाने के लिए. So what type of a sentence is it? Think and try to complete your homework, right? Agra is full of historical monuments. Agra is full of historical monuments. Historical monuments यानी yes, ऐतिहासिक धरोहर. जो बड़े बड़े मॉन्यूमेंट्स हैं, जैसे ताजमहल है आगरा में, राइट? तो आगरा का जो ताजमहल है वो हमारा हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट है. नेक्स्ट, डू यू लाइक कॉफी? क्या आपको कॉफी पसंद है? यू हैव टू पुट द पंक्चुएशन मार्क. रिमेंबर दैट बर्ड्स बिल्ड नेस्ट ऑन ट्रीज. बर्ड्स बिल्ड नेस्ट ऑन ट्रीज. चिड़िया जो है अपना घोंसला पेड़ों पर बनाती है. How pleasant the weather is. मौसम कितना अच्छा है. How pleasant the weather is. May I borrow your book please? May I borrow your book please? So these are the sentences which you have to complete in your homework, right? Hope you have completed all your work, and we end up our session with this exercise and your homework. Complete your homework, and yes, we'll be there with the next period with the answer of your homeworks, right? Bye.